Hello. For today's What Happened Wednesday, I'll be covering the concepts of equilibria and stability. An equilibria point is a position within a dynamic system in which the system will not have a natural tendency to change. One example of this would be for a first order system in which velocity varies linearly with position. We have x dot equals mx plus b. If we want to find the equilibria point of this, we set velocity equal to 0, giving us this equation, mx plus b equals 0, and solve for x at which this is the case. This would be mx equals minus b, x equals minus b over m. And this would be considered an equilibrium point, because if we plug this back into the original equation, this gives us x dot equals m times minus b over m plus b, which yields these two cross out, minus b plus b equals 0. X dot equals 0. And another similar and related concept would be stability. And stability represents um, how is a system going to react when you put a point out of equilibrium? Will it tend to restore itself to equilibrium, or will it um, continue further motion? This can be kind of described by looking at a ball inside a bowl. So you have a bowl, and you have a ball resting at the center of it. If you push this ball any which direction, it's going to go back to resting at the center of the bowl. But if the bowl is upside down and you place a ball on top of it, perhaps it's balanced there, perhaps it's in equilibrium. But if you push it even just a little bit, it's going to move, it's going to accelerate away from the equilibrium point.